This is a full new video on doing the side seams and the sleeve seams, which, as they explained at the end of the video on sewing the sleeves onto the front and back, this comes directly after and is done all in one seam with the main, so you can go back and check that video for a little bit more detail, but I just wanted to show you the way it's laid out. So this is the sleeve, the front, and then the back is behind it, and with the other sleeve here too. Excuse all my offcuts of fabric there. And you can see where it's pinned. Now the really crucial bit is to make sure that you have pinned this bit really accurately here, with one seam allowance going this way and the other seam allowance going that way. And we really want to nest these seams into each other. So when you sort of feel them like this, you should feel just one flat, even area, not one bulky area and one smaller area. And that means that when you open it up, it's going to be hard for me to do it here because I've got the pins in that way. But it does mean that when you open it up, you get those seams, if we can kind of see them in there, sitting up against each other really nicely like that, which is what we're hoping for. So I'm going to sew this on a normal seam allowance, so that's 1.5 centimeter or 5/8 of an inch. I'm going to start all the way up here, go the whole way down across and over this and keep going down, following the seam allowance the whole way, and then I'm going to overlock them. So I won't show you that step separately, I'll just come back to it once they're all overlocked. And here we go, just like that, we have a closed off jumper, basically. That's all overlocked, and it's ready for now 3 different parts that can all be done in any order. So I'll probably start with the hemband first, then I'll do the cuffs, and then last of all I will put on the hood. So the hood is the biggest job out of those two. So normally I'd save that one till last just to make sure our skills are right at the top before we do that. So starting with the hemband is a nice one because it's a little bit easier. So grabbing out your hemband piece next, and I'll do that in the next video.